Kajing nur bagi Jingphohsniew kabar Jingphohsniew Snem jiki ba Nongshong Shnong kari Bhoi Sepngi ban yono la kajong kesurok kapapaka bar kaban pensuk ia kalai kawan kelawan ban Urlong no minta kesengi Hadien bo menteri rang ba kejelau konut ke sang mau lalit ban pleo mau nongrem ban te kesurok kapapaka ya kaba onte nadu umling shadu umrit jong kejirang constituency ya kate kesurok rong kabajangai kumbalai puai not kendai way kilometer lamang ha ke jinglut kabanlong kumba sanpu praklur tingka ya kabon bay pisa na ka World Bank. Lasaki lang ruha ka ni kesengi kaban pensa kan mau purami ki ba kari Bhoi Sepngi do ba Preston Tinsong menteri rang ba banrap ka sarkar jilla uba Sostene Sotun MLA ka jirang constituency uba Victor Rani MDC Ikong RM Korba Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District uba N Lamare Superintendent of Police uba TG Nengnong Secretary PWD RNB B Marak Chief Engineer National Highway PWD Roads, nalor kiwe de kirang ba sarkar. Habakran hakani kesengi kumukongsan ukonot ke sang mau lapan pau ke jingkemen ke bakraw, banyadan lang hakani kesengi ke belong ke history ki pai ba shnong kari Bhoi Sepngi.
This government has laid a lot of stress on infrastructure development, especially road development, because we truly believe that economic prosperity starts with having good roads. I thank the Honourable local MLA who has been persistent and very committed when it comes to his constituency. He was mentioning in his speech that the sun is going to shine today for this area because this road is going to be started. I would like to say that the sun started shining on this constituency the day he was elected as MLA. Because after his becoming the MLA of Jirang constituency, maximum infrastructural projects, including roads, colleges, schools, or different kind of other projects have been taken up during his tenure now as MLA, and I'm sure that under his leadership and his guidance and his continuous effort to transform Jirang constituency, more and more development projects will come to this area.
Nakaliang wa Preston Tinsong kumunong ilam ka sarkar MDA ulapan pau ba ka sarkar hi kadang treshi taman penurlong yaki ai ki bala kular shiki pai ba hakabede ban kenti ki lat penroi haki babon kiliang.
Ngin sabu maunong rim syu sa kumbalai teli ki projek jong kari Bhoi District. Kawai ka bangiong ka umsning jakirut sa kawai ka bangiong ka nongpo umden sonapor ru. Kini ru ki bangir sa khot tenda nokshe. Kata kadai ka aspirational district. But ka amount jom kini ki project kan ong dunatang hapo ri Bhoi District ya kalais pak lur tengka tengah sobon ong bakari Bhoi District nakatakadaw kadai ka badon boktam naki khatway teli district mapi pidei ka district ka badon boktam balay nga ong ka badon boktam namartang ha ka root sector kung mga ong yapi nubdunaya ka lais paklur ka bapilya sa kaway ka project ka ba ito yapi ka ba mentangi dan sukot tendaan mentakasi sa pahamo ya ka western riboy nalor kane ka bagiwan bu no mau nong rim ngisabo mau nong rim sa kaway bat kata ka surok kade nangte ng mayran kabang piloi i kumbakolong menta ngin penbahas syuk mdunaya ka sispa khandai thoplur tengka
Ubasa sana sotun par ulapan pau bakalong shisha ke jingkemen ke bakraw hakaba ke Jingphohsniew bar ke jing angnut ke mentala palat South Snem ban yo ekani ke surok ke bapaka krala ban Urlong Hadien ke jing sngap je ke sarkar MDA halor ke jingo jingnam jiki pai ba kari Bhoi Sepngi bar ban mang pisa sendan ban teyaka
ka jinga trelang ke jopi ki pai ba kalwan ra ya ka jing pen biang but banla ban pen deploy ya ke Jingphohsniew deng surok